got a horn.
What's that?
Streetcar's got a horn.
Oh yeah. Hey, so how'd it run?
I haven't run it yet.
Oh. Alright. You get all nervous before
I'm nervous, yeah.
I hate, dude, it was like fun, but I don't know, at the same time, I'm like, I don't know if I like this. It's just so stressful.
I know, my wife's like, what do you want for breakfast? I'm like, I don't know yet. I mean, I was a little nervous. Because first time I've hauled my car that far on that trailer, you know, and I was like,
yeah.
I always had a truck. I've never had a car to haul with. I'm hauling with the MDX. I'm like, nervous as getting here. Now I got to go down the quarter mile. It's been over a year.
And I remember Scott Gilbert used to always take a bunch of shits.
I did that this morning too. How was the boy? Tell him, if you talk to him, tell him I said hi.
Alright, will do.
Seen Emily?
She was up here with a camera somewhere. I just talked to her. Yeah, I see.
Oh yeah, she's up in the middle. Okay, good.
She goes, I hope they don't kick me out.
Nah, they won't.
You walk right up to this wall. I did it last time.
Cute girl like that, they'll let her do whatever she wants.
Hey, so you're just going for kind of a test more than anything this
Yeah,
time?
yeah.
Alright. Oh, you've never really gotten up?
No, that you filming me was the first.
Right.
Oh, my glasses are fine on the floor.
Well, good luck.
Thank you.
Got all your cameras on?
I just got to hit record. Actually, it looks like that one's recording. They're both recording, dummy. Well, here's the moment of truth. We're heading up to go make a first pass with these 2 square bore heads. Gotta remember the data log. too to see if I just granny shift it and keep the clutch from slipping. Problem on the track?
Might have some water down. He's gonna go check.
Okay. Well, I got the oil down, cleaned up. I'm getting ready to make the second pass. We'll try to granny shift it. Wish me luck. Yeah, it's the next day. I say, what a great day yesterday was. You know, the bug run, or the now Eurofest. I was figuring there'd be a few more, you know, water-cooled cars there. You know, like maybe some Audis or maybe some Porsches that would want to participate in the racing. But looked like it was the same old crew, the same old crowd that was doing the racing. And I did see some newer people, you know, doing some fun runs. Yeah, of course, I just did some fun runs. I just wanted to test Simon out. I didn't want to have to really worry about the whole racing aspect. I was already nervous enough. I mean, one pass, I think it was my second pass, I completely forgot, you know, I got a shift light. And I realized that after I looked at the data logs and I was shifting at 7,000 RPMs, which brings me to, you know, I didn't run my number, you know, I was hoping for that 11-second pass, but it's hard to do it when the clutch is slipping. But, you know, the good point was I did see one improvement, and that was, you know, being able to run up to 7,000 RPMs. The old combination just didn't do that. It was kind of done a little after 6,000 RPMs, and these new heads and intake manifolds did what I wanted them to do. And I was kind of hoping to run up to 7,000 RPMs. The cam grinder said that my cam should be good, you know, to 7,200 RPMs, and I now agree with them. Now, come up with the clutch. I had Jeremy, my friend Jeremy, he kind of came in and I felt the clutch, and I don't know, he thought it felt different. It felt awful soft. I don't know, it looks like it's going to be a new pressure plate and a new clutch disc in the near future here. Well, I got to congratulate Keith for the big win. Good job. I don't know, they did some roll racing. I don't know if you won that too or not. You know, Keith, if you're listening or watching, put a comment down below and let us know if you won the roll race along with the, I think you were running Super Pro. And Keith is the one with the, I think I probably got some footage of the bright green, metallic green Super Beetle. He had that running pretty good there yesterday. Looks like I gotta get wrenching, figure out what I'm gonna do with the clutch, because the fall bug run will be here before you know it. And it'll be here October 1st. So I do plan on running that now that I know the Acura will pull the bug here in the trailer good and safely. But yeah, until then, keep cruising, keep shifting those gears, and enjoy the ride. Let's roll on out of here.
I was just another guy